Okay, we can continue.
Okay, so we stop the
Okay. Yeah.
and now we will prepare the sleeping knife to cut the, the trims and make the rolls.
Okay.
So I need to remove this. You can do it by your way, but I always do like this. I always see how many blades I need. One, two, three, four, five.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one is good, is off. Now I will unscrew these little screws. You have a little screw.
How many millimeters is that? 3 millimeter. The inbus.
We send the machine with.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. We send the machine with
Okay.
this key.
Yeah.
It's important because it's a 3 millimeters screw.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't don't tight
Oh,
too much.
yeah.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
you
it was
damage
strip.
the.
Yeah, I know.
I need to
Yeah.
change the
The screw.
now.
Okay.
Okay, I untied these ones,
Mm-hmm.
and then I untied the bottom one because you need to see the screw.
Oh, okay.
Now it's not in. I need to rotate a little bit. Okay, is here. Okay,
Okay.
now it's good. I will unscrew this one. Okay,
So that's the contra.
yes, that's the counter blade. I can do it like this, and like this. And if you see, we have three blades to this side and the other three to that side.
Okay.
Uh, because to cut the trims, we need the support of the counterblade.
Yeah.
So the last one should be counterblade, and in this side should be the same counterblade, blade.
Yeah.
If I put all to the same side, I can cut one of the trims. Okay, so it's like that. You don't need to be the all three back here, but the first one you need to be like here. Okay, so the first thing, now I can rotate this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a problem. I do like this. I put it here. I tight. If you want to be precise, we have customers that when they repeat the kind of
Yeah.
labels,
They measure.
they use not. Let me see if I have here kind of blade. Okay, I can show you this. They make
A template.
they
Okay.
make like this.
Yeah.
They want, I don't know how many millimeters, but imagine
Yeah.
they make a small cut and then they put it here.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. It's
easy,
faster. Yeah.
fast. Okay,
Yeah.
I learned this with machine operators.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I'm doing by eye because here is just how to put. Okay, now it's good. Okay, because I can move the blades at the same time and but not separately. Okay, I need to go a little bit more. Let me see. Okay. Okay, now I I do a small cut with my knife just to the counter blade touch, and then it's just touch.
Ah, okay.
I do it like this.
So it works like a scissor.
Yes,
Ah,
exactly.
okay. I know. I thought it was
No,
cutting on
no.
the s- okay.
Is touching like a
Okay.
scissor.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
Okay, like this, and it's already cutting. Okay, if they are precise, I don't know. If you do like that, it's easier with a cardboard or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's easier. Okay, now you can jog a little bit if the machine is cutting. Okay, okay. This one is not. See, it's not. Why
Okay.
is doing that? Because it's not tight enough. It's not touching very good the
Okay.
blade and the counter blade. So I want to rotate to a position that can, okay, because if it's here, I can, and it's not well placed to. It's I need to put it a little bit here. Let me see if I put this. Okay. I should make a cut. Let me see if it's good. Now it's cutting good, but it's not cutting in a good position.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's cutting. When you see that the cut is not too good, you are not cutting it in right position. This is also difficult because it's very thin. I put the flexible die too much there, but it's not a problem because we are removing the weight
Mm-hmm.
to here.
Also. Okay.
Okay, we need to break this and then grab it here, and then I can use the pedal, the jog pedal. Okay.
Morning, guys.
Hi.
Okay. Now, what is important here is you want to put the trims in the middle here and
Mm-hmm.
not here because we have more material here
Yeah.
than here.
Yeah.
So it should be here and here to make
Make it
a good waist.
okay. Make
It's
it straight.
important.
Yeah.
Yes. If your waist is all over the place, it's not good. You have problems in the middle. So we press start. Ah, okay. I need to put the protection in place. Okay. I press start. I see if I want to go more here. Okay. This one. Okay. It's not a problem if it's a little bit loose. It's not a problem.
Mm-hmm.
So now the machine now is cutting, but we are making in the same road. So we need to stop. Remember that I told you the rewinder clamp. This
Yeah.
all this is important because of this. If I cut it, if I don't have
Yeah.
pressure here, it
Everything
goes.
goes back.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
no,
Oh, it
doesn't go
moves.
back. It
Okay.
moves, and it's difficult for you
Yeah.
to put here
Yeah.
in a
Yeah.
corner.
Okay. Okay.
So I will remove this cord. I think I have my level. I don't know, but okay.
70.
73 must. I got 70 or 73. It's not really
73.
okay. Put it here. Ah, bad. It's good and the other one. So imagine we want to make two in the first shaft and with
Mm-hmm.
the other. And I can show you one thing. I can put this. Now I can make at the same time rolls. I don't know it's important to you. Rolls with the labels in. Just you to see. Okay. I will enable. Okay, maybe it's not enabled because it's being semi-automatic. Okay. I will enable it. Okay. I have 100. The tension should be the same. Okay, 100. And this one I will put 75, 100, 100, and 100. The second one, it will go counterclockwise.
Okay.
Não, não, deixa tudo ali numa caixa. And this one I'm going to put like this.
So it's not a problem if it's not exactly straight,
Exactly straight. Now,
because if
not,
it's like
yeah,
1 millimeter or so.
at the beginning is if you see like this, see this.
Mhm.
If it's like this,
Yeah.
it's loose, it's tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
The problem is what? It's the beginning.
yeah.
Okay. This one is the same, like this and like this. Okay. Now, if I try to jog just to see this one is levels in,
Yeah.
and the other one is levels out.
So
If you don't put in the correct position in the beginning, the roll it goes sideways,
yeah.
and you have a little small.
Okay.
It's the end of the roll that's
Yeah.
the problem. Okay. Otherwise, we have a little bit of material. I can use the machine working. Now close the second one, the second knee.
Mhm.
Okay. I can. This is semi-rotary at full speed. Semi-rotary full speed. Yeah. I have here. See what kind of situation I'm talking about. We have, if you, it's not a problem, but we have here the roll here have a bump.
Mhm.
So the material is tight, and here
Here is
a little
loose.
bit. But see, loose, tight.
Yeah.
Right now it's not a problem, but if it go bigger,
Yeah.
and if it's not with the same tension, you need to change the. Yeah,
port.
because I am putting this one.
Too much to the
Yes,
outside.
yes, that's a problem. Now, I need to break. No, I don't need to. Okay, so that's the waist is very important. Okay, now I'm removing to the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. So see the difference? It will be bigger diameter on that side and this side. Okay. Yeah, I can. We are working at 29% of. I put that. Okay, it's a okay. 30%. The diameter is increasing, and it will increase. See how is trying to calculate.
Yeah.
See with a rotation. And it changed the torque when the diameter changed. The 30 is the same for the here. Rewinder 1 is 111 and the torque is 30 and it will increase the torque. And if you see, oh, it's good, okay. Okay. This is working completely okay. We just missed one thing. But don't miss. we need to put the lamination working just to see. Okay, the machine is doing labels. Everything okay? Labels in, labels out. If you want to do like that, you do it. But it's you can do it. Okay, right now. Okay, I need to remove this. It's I already have here, but it's easy. You need to put the roll here, fasten here like this.
Yeah.
It's important. It then goes this way, then I go here, then I put it.
You take it on.
Yeah,
Okay.
not don't be very precise. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Okay, it's touching. No.
Maybe make this move
Yeah,
it
yeah,
half a millimeter
yeah,
so it
yeah,
has
yeah.
more.
If I open, maybe it goes. Okay. Now it's good. No. Now it's good. Now let me center. Okay. Okay. Steps. You just need to turn it on and see if you want more or less tension. Is arriving to the knee pin
Yeah.
and do the. Let me do when this happens. You can okay open and close it. Okay, I think the tension is good. It's not making wrinkles. Maybe it will break here the waist. I need to see. I think I have glue.
On the die.
Yeah, it's important. It's like in the rolls. It's like in the rolls. If you have glue on the roll, for some reason, you create a problem. And I have here some kind of problem in the die. This is doing the same problem.
It is broken.
It's great. Now I have to open this snip. I don't know why. Okay, now I can put it here, but this roll is not good. Yeah. When we put the lamination, we should put in the beginning and then put the new roll. Okay. But now I have here a problem. This mark here is
damaging the
Can
label.
damage this mark here because now I have more thickness.
It's when it's
Yeah,
turning
yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
the beginning
When you go,
position, it
yeah.
scratches. Okay.
Let me change the flexible die.
You have a plastic hammer, can hammer it that notch down.
Yeah, no, not the plastic one. I have
Or a small hammer.
I don't know if it's close. Otherwise,
Dus
I have the flexible die.
oppassen met vuil.
Ja, ze breekt dan die dingen af als er vuil gaat zitten op die plaat.
Wat zei je?
Breekt het dan die sticker af als er vuil gaat zitten op die plaat.
Dus iets gaan zitten tussen die cilinder en die plaat.
En die
Oh, dat is
cilinder,
de oorplaat, het is een testplaat. Dus ze hebben ze al
Ja.
tientallen keren losgemaakt en vastgezet. Ja, dus wanneer je het gaat monteren, moet je ook oppassen dat je niet dat ding twist. Hè. Op het moment dat je twist,
Ja.
krijg je dus dit soort gevallen. Of die die zelf, dus die randjes, die
Ja.
vervormen of ja, breken af en zo. Dus in dit geval is het dus zo'n vuilpuntje waarschijnlijk, dat naar boven komen.
Ja.
En wanneer die cilinder dus achteruit draait, om naar zijn beginstand te gaan, want je ziet dat die cilinder, ik weet niet of je dat hebt opgemerkt, elke keer roteert hij even. Dus het papier
Ja.
stopt, hij roteert even naar zijn nulstand. En dan scheurt hij dat papier met zo'n een knobbel.
Oh.
Dat ding is, ze noemen het semi-rotary, omdat die lengte van die die, dus die
Ja.
3 cuts, zijn niet exact die volle omtrek van die cilinder of die volle lengte van die plaat.
Oh.
Dus nu moet hij elke keer even terugdraaien, zodat hij op die
Zodat hij zijn
volgende
stand
doorgaat.
Ja.
Ja? Ik hoop dat je begrijpt
Ja.
wat ik bedoel.
Ja hoor.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we can continue.
Okay, so the level it's like this
Yeah.
is laminated.
Okay.
Okay, now I already explained everything
Mm-hmm.
how to work with a machine.
Okay.
No, I need to explain you something. Change to a new role.
Okay.
Okay, let me just. And if you want to work with this, you just do it like this, and you can leave it here. If you don't release the air, it
Yep.
will be
It
always
stays
there.
on. Yeah.
But when you turn on the machine, it will remove the air, or you can disable or enable. This button is just for that. Okay.
Okay.
So right now, let me put another roll of the same different material, but it's the same shape.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So I press the clamp. I put it in the middle, or whatever. If I want to cut in here,
Mm-hmm.
so doesn't damage the label, I use this line here. Okay, so I can cut here. This clamp 2 is already, or we can end the cord if you want to see how the sensor stops to read if you want to see the end of paper, you can end the cord. Okay, it's almost in the end. Okay, it will break and it will stop because in the clamp 2 already
Yeah.
all the material. So right now I lose a little bit of paper. What you should do is open the clamp, give more tension, close the clamp, and then you cut the material, the cover. Say that
centimeter on.
Dus die geprinte rol.
Ja, dat is een geprint rol.
Die van eerst is al gesneden nu al?
Nee, wat je doet, je print gewoon roll to roll op zo'n print
Ja.
engine. En dan laat je in die machine, dan gaat dus je afwerking apart. Dus waar ik heb een flexo op laat, dat je ook inline gelijk afwerken.
Irfan, kan jij jouw dingen even muten?
Sorry.
Want ik neem dit gelijk op.
Remove the first part because I
Ja.
was preferring the ground. Okay, now we have here a scale.
Yeah.
But I didn't really see what is the correct position. So what I need to do is
Check.
try to see.
Keep tension. It's
Yeah.
square.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to close the clamp. Yeah, you can put it
Yeah.
a little bit here. You close the clamp. You can cut in the middle. And then to doesn't break the waist, you need to put the tape
Ah, okay.
here, but don't go here and then turn it here. If you do like that, it will break the whole.
The waist. Okay.
So don't break the waist. It must be like here, and then like here. I don't know if I have the okay the back mark is in the same side.
Yeah.
Okay, now I have the one under open, the hair is open, but it's not a problem because when I press start, it will go okay. Now I have the machine ready to start. Okay, it's reading. Okay, it will be a problem when it's reading this black mark and this one. It will go crazy. See, but if I don't do nothing, it's not in the correct position. Now it's good. It's blinking. So the error is too big because it's not with the same repetition when I put the paper. And now, if I wait to correct 190, 109, it goes like to here, and it will go to the place it should be. But if I don't want to waste this kind of paper to make this 108 correction, I can start the machine. I can, if I disable and enable, it begin to read from the beginning, and then I have an error, is 8 millimeters. Now I need to see how much I need to correct, about 20 millimeters to the right, and is already corrected. So what I lose now it's this. Okay, it doesn't break the waist,
Mm-hmm.
but I lose this. Okay, it's here, and that one I need. More speed. See that when you make an onion with the, it doesn't break the waist, but it will break this.
What's up? Here.
Okay, maybe it's not
Okay.
because I'm doing and I'm putting the paper sideways. Okay, now let me see the correction. Registration. Okay, I need 5 millimeters. I'm always watching here because here to here it's a little bit of
It's about
yeah
2 meters.
more or less goes to the dancer, then goes to the knee,
Yeah.
and then goes up. Okay, This when we make when we one important thing when we end a job and then we put another job in that onion.
Mhm.
Uh, Sometimes or most of the times we can't put the paper in perfect position, so it does these wrinkles when it passes the nips.
Mhm.
Normally, I didn't do nothing, but normally, what you should do, we need to start, we need to open, and then you start, and then this one it will start at 10, it close at 10, and then when we open and close it again, it goes to the correct position, so it doesn't wrinkle anymore. So we are cutting.
I think this knife has a problem here.
Yeah, it's not well tight. Yeah, let me see. We,
It's here.
it's here. Let me just put my glove because these knives, see this, it was a
Mhm.
knife like this. Adjust.
So, in case something happens to the knife, let's say it's dull, so it's not
Okay,
cutting good anymore.
you need to remove the knives
Uh-huh.
and change.
So, when you change both or only this one?
You need when you change if it's with a long time of work, you need to change both because
Okay.
if you see the knife as a little curve
Mm-hmm.
that it cuts in the counter knife, with time it makes the little curve
Okay.
exactly the same of the knife. If you change knives and you don't change
The counter.
the counter,
Uh-huh.
sometimes if it's too much use,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes you can't cut perfectly, and the problem is the counter needs to be changed too. Okay, so but I can explain how to change. You just remove this for. I can send you a video tutorial, or if you want, we can remove it here. We remove these four
Okay.
screws, and these pieces come out, and then you unscrew the blades in the counter, and they always
Come out.
come
Wow.
out
Okay.
here.
So the shaft stays in, and only
Yes,
these move
yes.
out. Okay.
And then you need to remove the blade from
The holder.
the holder. I
Okay.
can show you if you want. It's not. It's simple.
Let's do that tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. You show me.
Okay.
You teach me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna film it.
Okay. No
Okay.
problem.
One more thing. There are 6 knives here.
Yes.
How many can I put here maximum?
Yeah, the maximum is let me show you. The maximum is the space you need to work between them.
Between the so that
So
is
let's try to see.
I think that's about 2 centimeter. No, 1.5 centimeter,
Let's
50
try
millimeter.
let's try to see.
Because if we have small
Yeah, I
narrow
understand.
rolls,
Let me try to jog a little bit.
and the counter you can only use one side of it. You cannot use the other side.
Yeah. Well, just one side.
Okay.
This side is the side it cuts. The other
Okay.
side it doesn't cut.
Okay.
So I can put it the maximum. It should be here.
Mm-hmm.
and the counter it goes here. Okay, the counter touch
The other, yeah.
Oh, okay, I need a little bit more here. So let me push it here. Then go the counter. Okay. Let me see his.
No, okay. No, I understand that you cannot get too close, but
Yeah,
so it doesn't matter if I want to put 20 knives as long as there's space
yeah, the
for it.
space is
So it's not like it's too heavy now for the belt to run. Okay.
okay.
It's actually the thickness of the
15,
counter.
15, 16,
16 millimeter.
line.
Yeah, okay.
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 Because the belt,
Mhm.
he works like this. Okay, let me, because you understand how the things work. The belt is just is touching.
Mhm.
Okay, it's just for touch. It doesn't have this kind
Groove.
of pulleys to
Oh, it's slipping.
it's
So,
slipping.
okay, okay,
It's
okay.
it's like this. To the knife need to cut by this kind of impulse and not with traction. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If for some reason the knife is they are not rotating at the same speed because this is the belt
It's too loose.
is too
Or,
loose, you need to go to. I can show in
Mhm.
the front. We have I explained you.
Yeah.
We have a screw here. The front. This one is this one.
Okay.
Okay. No. Four.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Perfectly four.
Okay.
This one. Can you see? Four.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
You unscrew.
That one.
One guy
Uh-huh.
unscrew. You have a hole here.
Yeah.
You
Tighten it.
portage and
Uh-huh.
tight. If it's not good enough, you can do it in this one.
Yeah.
If you're not good enough,
Okay. So you have
so you
more
have
options
all
until it's perfectly
this
tight.
one you can increase tension. So
Mhm.
it should work like this.
Okay.
Not very tight and not very loose. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I already okay. I can explain maybe tomorrow.
Mhm.
I explain how to remove this. If you want to remove for some reason.
Mhm.
Usually, if you need to work with another cylinder, you need to remove this.
Mhm.
If you don't need to do nothing. Just 6 months when you want to put a little grease here,
Grease.
you need to
Okay.
remove. But this you have uh, these 4 screws. You
Mhm.
untie it just a little bit,
Yeah.
and I can show.
Okay.
You. And then I can show you. And then also I can show how our work is, how this
But
work.
what kind of grease? Just normal lithium
Yeah,
grease, EP2, EP3, I think.
yeah. For bearings, I can show you
Okay.
ours.
Because you have
Yeah,
very
you
thick grease for wheel bearings, but that is too thick, I think.
yeah. It's too thick, but it's we have a kind of one just for bearings, and that's good for this.
Okay.
You don't have too much rotation, and that can create a problem. It just needs a little bit to have lubrication. No? It's not very important. Okay, if I release a little bit of this,
One moment.
no problem.
Don't know why the meeting stopped. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this kind of girdle, you can remove this piece or adjust fast.
Mm-hmm.
You can unscrew and it goes up and down.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to do this if you change the magnetic. But
Mm-hmm.
and then if you want to be a little bit faster, you pull this, goes there, and you remove it.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have when you put pressure, this here goes down.
Okay.
See,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and
Okay.
with pressure, if you do it two and go until the end, you need to unscrew
Yeah.
and then press a little bit
Okay.
to goes to the correct
Yeah.
position. So and then it's like this in the middle. You have
Mm-hmm.
more screw a little
Uh-huh.
bit with that
Yeah.
without. Okay, in the middle you put it here. Okay, is in correct position. Sorry, I opened this. You need to okay. See, I open this. I rotate a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
It closes.
Locks. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Now he works like a normal. See, he's
Okay.
already
Yeah.
tight, and if I do this, I am doing pressure. You shouldn't put pressure with this
Loose.
loose,
Okay.
never, because this plate
Well,
goes this.
bow. Okay.
Okay,
To a flex.
okay. This is just for removing. Okay, you can remove it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for maintenance or for cleaning something.
Mm-hmm.
And this you can remove it too. It's better always take the acrylic because it's okay. You can remove this.
Uh-huh.
And then if you want to remove the magnetic cylinder, the machine goes with the tools.
Mm-hmm.
You can put it here and here, and
Pull it
then
out.
we use a forklift like this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We have other customers; they have another kind of
Tie a belt with
yeah, something
Okay.
to go here. But we send the tools to grab, and if it's if it's a little bit tight, you can unscrew this for a little bit to open
Mm-hmm.
this plate, and it goes up like
Okay.
that. And the same at the counter. If
Okay.
you need, imagine in I don't know how many hours the machine will work, but in 5 or 10 years, if you want to change for some reason because the under roll is
Is damaged.
wasted,
Uh-huh.
you need to remove it. You just remove this and then remove the other one with the belts. It's
Okay.
easy. Okay.
Okay. Let's say if you want another cylinder with smaller or bigger.
Yeah. Bigger, you can't put too much bigger in this
I
kind
think
of
136 teeth.
maybe you want.
Natalia said.
Okay.
If in case you
Yes,
want.
yes.
Okay.
If-
But then I need to change the control rule also.
no, no, no.
Only the
Yeah.
cylinder. Okay.
You need to remove the cylinder
Uh-huh.
out,
Yeah.
and then you remove this big screw,
Uh-huh.
and this part goes out. You have bearings goes
Okay.
out. The same that one
Yeah.
is just remove it, put in another cylinder, and put
Okay.
the cylinder in place.
Okay.
You don't need to remove this one just if you have problems.
Oh, because I see teeth here.
Yes,
It's syncing with the
yes,
other one,
yes.
so that's why I asked.
But no, not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, because we have another one the the back, this
Yeah.
one, and this is the one we control. The machine knows you have I don't know how many teeth, but the machine knows. And then when you change this big one, we need to change it here.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I change it here, the machine already know you have a bigger, and then it make the calculation.
Okay.
So I was telling that you need to clean this but you order, and it's good. This kind of tool
Uh-huh.
that's always cleaning the track. This is good.
Okay.
It's always cleaning. I'm going to grab some oil to explain you how to put oil here. It's very simple.
Het is geen moeilijke machine. Ik denk dat die GraphTech zelf moeilijker is om in te stellen.
Ja. Maar die rollen die geprint zijn, hoe worden die uitgeprint?
Dus daarvoor zou even een andere machine kopen, nog, een flexo drukmachine. Theoretisch zou het ook op de Muller kunnen, maar die is maar één. Kijk, ik ga nu even olie.
Okay, you have these small holes. You can put it.
Okay. In the hole. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, what oil is it? ISO 32, ISO
I
10.
can show you.
Okay.
Okay, but it's not very important because it's just for cleaning.
Ah, okay.
This this oil. I can remove this. Okay,
Ah,
it will pass to this
yeah,
rag,
yeah, yeah.
and the humidity cleans and lubricate at the same time. It's magnetic. You can remove it from some reason if you want to put it. It's like this, a little bit like this, okay? And you put a little bit of oil. It's always going to the small rag, and then it's always cleaning. But it's not. It's just for clean and lubricate. It's not important if the oil is too thick or more.
Okay.
What is important is that you have this side
It's clean.
clean because with dust and something,
Oh, we have a lot of dust there.
yeah, it is a problem. It's the maintenance in this machine. First thing is very clean the rolls. If you have glue in the rolls, you have any problems, and you don't know what the kind of problem you have. We have clean rolls. We use this. This is a material to remove glue without damage the rolls.
So what is that? Washing
Is
yeah, we call it washing benzene, like
Ye-
gasoline, but it's
yeah,
less oily.
yes, it's
Okay.
it comes from the oil,
Yeah.
but we call hexanobenzene. I don't know, but it doesn't damage the rolls. It doesn't damage the ink. It doesn't
Okay.
damage. Just remove the glue and remove all the.
No alcohol.
Yeah, you can put
Isopropyl.
Yeah, you can put alcohol, but it's more difficult to remove the.
Yeah, yeah. And,
With benzene, it's fast. Okay.
okay.
The
But
older
not
roll,
the silicone roll.
you can clean
With this?
with this, no
It
problem.
does not damage it.
No, but
Okay.
if you put diluent, another kind of
Parts cleaner, in the spray.
yeah, this you
It's,
have
it's
a
not
problem.
good. Okay.
But if he attacks the plastics or plastic materials, it will damage the roll. But benzene doesn't create problems.
That's also for this rubber roll.
Yeah, we don't clean it this one.
Okay.
Okay, if you need to clean, air compress it. Okay.
But let's say for whatever reason there's glue on it.
Okay, we don't have a kind of situation, but I can ask the BSTs
Okay.
to give me an answer about that.
Okay.
But I can try. I don't know if I put benzene.
Yeah.
If you have problems. Because I know benzene normally.
Or if you have an old roll to test, otherwise you're gonna waste a good one.
Yeah, I think.
Well,
I think you can smell. I think you don't have problems with that.
let's wash benzene.
You know what it is?
Yeah. Let me see if I can translate.
Yeah, I don't know if we have translation. Everything in Portuguese.
Yeah, it's that benzeno.
Benzeno.
What's
That's
benzene?
it.
Yeah.
I let me take a note. I asked the BSD supplier. It's easier.
It's in the field that we will see things as a customer that you as manufacturer will never see.
Yeah, I know. I always when I go to factories here in
Yeah.
Portugal
Yeah.
or in exhibitions or when the boss goes with the workers, I always learn something
Yeah.
because they know all the tricks. All I know it's learn not the mechanical part, but the kind of trick to work. It's the guys they work the machine
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah.
They know everything. They know how to do everything. The little tricks, the things we don't imagine,
Yeah.
but they know. Okay, it's always like that. It's like when we have difficult levels to remove,
Mm-hmm.
we they put here tape, not that kind of tape,
Double
electrician
sided.
paper,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
and they give 3 or 4 laps,
Yeah.
and it makes more diameter,
Yeah.
and then when
It pushes the label
yes,
away.
push the levels down and
Yeah.
remove the waste very
Oh,
easy.
okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I learned that with that guys. Okay,
Okay.
we sell a tool to assembly in this kind of machine. It's not a roll; it's a ramp in aluminum ramp
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
remove difficult levels.
Yeah.
Okay, if you need in the future, I can remove this. We want this. We send that. You just need to uh, remove this. We have here remove this, and we put in the same place
Mm-hmm.
a ramp in aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
Too difficult, but they don't want to buy this. It's faster. They put a little
The
bit
tape.
of tape.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's all good. Okay. And then when you have printing machines, you'll learn a lot
Yeah.
with the guys. Okay, so this is a good option. You don't have problem with this. You just needed to make clean it, and then half a year or a year you put a little bit. I can show you our bucket.
Okay.
Put a little bit grease in
Mm.
this. You have here, here, and there. You have here. Just for these ones, they apply pressure in
Mm-hmm.
the roll. They work with a lot of pressure,
Yeah.
and they try too hot a
Mm-hmm.
little bit, and if they have lubricated, you reduce the heat.
Okay.
So you reduce the problem. So this is just like this way. You don't want to put this.
The other way around. Yeah, I
If you put
see.
like this,
Uh-huh.
you will see that it's not loose. See, it's touching that part.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It's very okay. This you see this is like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's normal.
Yeah, it's normal. We already have problems with customers that we send this, they remove the these screws and they put a washer and then
Okay.
they damage because
It has
right
to
here,
have a little play
yes,
to take
to
out.
adapt.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will damage the
Okay.
magnetic.
Okay.
It's important this because we already have problems, and then when I saw the photos and the videos, why you put a washer here? Ah, because it's loose. It should be loose. Read the manual.
I think it's better to make a video instead of the manual. Nobody reads manuals.
Yeah, I know.
They
But
watch a video.
yeah, but they want the manual. Okay, I explain all these things.
Uh-huh.
When I'm going to be training by phone, I explain all these things is most important to me than the rest. With time, the operator know how to work the machine. But these things are very important. But they forget.
Yeah.
It's normal. Okay, and then usually I explain one, and then this that guy goes away, and then the other
The
one.
new.
No,
Uh-huh.
it's new. No, okay. You don't need to tight too much.
Okay.
Just for the
It never shakes loose.
with the
With vibration, it never comes loose.
no. If it goes loose, you will see in the valve here. If you are working,
Mm-hmm.
and for some reason you are working and you have 40 bars. If this lose a little bit,
Mm-hmm. It will drop.
yeah, for some reason, oh, see,
Okay.
already drop. And if drop like that,
Oh yeah, because you apply pressure. Here also has pressure, so
yeah,
it will not loose.
yeah.
Okay.
It will
No,
not move, but
no, I was thinking to put the spring washer here,
yeah.
so it never counter.
Yeah, but you
It is not necessary.
not
Okay.
necessary. But now it's bad to work because I am applying pressure, but the plate it's a little bit it's
Yeah.
making force up. So I need to remove pressure,
Sure. Okay. Tighten
then
again.
tight a little bit. Okay, now
Okay.
I will simplify. Okay, okay, okay. Everything is good. Now I can apply pressure. Now it's good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now if you want, I don't know what you want, but if you want, I can remove the flexible die, remove the waste, put a normal roll, remove everything, and you make from the beginning if you want.
I want to do that tomorrow because I
Okay.
forgot to bring the stand for the camera. So I want to set up the camera. I do everything while it films, so it
Okay,
sees what I do.
I have camera support, but I don't know if you,
Ah, okay. If you have. Oh ja, één ding. Je ziet deze sensor. Hij heeft de schaduw hier. Hè. Dat moest ik ook filmen met die andere, was ik even vergeten. Je ziet ook net dat wit puntje is net op de rand van die schaduw. Zie je hem?
Yeah.
Ik hoor je niet hoor, dus je moet even knikken.
I
Zie je hem?
can.
En het probleem is, dat ding leest contrast. Dus hij leest wit, zwart. En nu zit hij in
Oh.
zwart. Dus dan wat gebeurt, dan ziet hij hem straks niet meer. Dus belangrijk is dus de lichtsituatie moet altijd hetzelfde zijn. In dit geval had hij
Ja.
ook verteld van ja, zijn werkplaats bijvoorbeeld heeft een transparant dak. Of een deel is transparant. Of niet transparant, maar dus er komt licht doorheen. En door de dag heen
Ja.
verandert die situatie, waardoor dus de schaduw anders wordt. Okay? Sergio,
Yeah.
I am explaining to him what you told before. You see the dot now?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
sensor is right in the middle of the shadow.
yeah.
So that will be a problem.
Yeah,
Then
if you try to if you are working with but it should be like this. The position of the sensor
it should be
is
as
not
straight as possible.
no it's not 90 degrees. It's a
Uh-huh.
little bit less than
Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is like I'm moving
Yeah.
further so that it's not on the edge
yeah
of the
I
shadow.
understand.
But that is also not good because it's
Yes,
now
yeah,
too far.
because you increase the distance. And
Oh,
it should
okay.
work 11 millimeters, but not at 11 millimeters plus 2 less 2.
Okay. So then actually you need another light here so
Yeah, it's a
it,
solution.
it
You
moves
put
the shadow away.
Yeah, we did kind of this kind of sensor.
Mhm.
With the other one, the color one,
Yeah.
it's not a problem.
Okay.
In this kind, it's important we have light. But if it's reading, if you are working the machine and it's blinking,
Mm-hmm.
it's if it's reading, it's good. Okay,
Okay.
you just have a problem if you are working and see here the current error is big or small or something happens. You need to see if it's
Okay. Je begrepen? So altijd rekening houden daarmee. Maar ja, bij ons gaat er voor mij een lamp helemaal bovenin zijn. Dus net erboven. Dan heb je dat van die schaduw niet.
Yes,
Okay.
good.
Oké. Ja, ik ga nu die andere camera aanzetten. Ga ik alles hier doen, maar dan ga ik dit niet kunnen houden als zoom.
Ja, dat is
Of misschien ga ik
goed.
hem vragen om
Ja.
dat even te doen voor me. Dan kan ik beide doen.
Yes, good.
Oké. Kijk hoor. Oh no, het is vast. Oh ja.
Okay.
No, okay.
Okay.
So oh, shit. Okay. Then I'm gonna ask you to hold this also because
Okay.
he's following what I'm doing.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let's
Let's remove everything.
remove everything.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm beginning. Oké, dan ga ik je even pauzen. En dan gaan we straks weer door. Je gaat even alles weer weghalen.